my first time doing unboxing, so I might look very lost. I know I'm very lost. I look lost. Everywhere is a mess right now. So welcome back to my channel. Daniel Wellington actually wrote me an email and sent me some stuff over here, as you can see. And this is actually not the first time that I collaborate with them. Usually it's on like my Instagram photo video and stuff. On top of the poses, because I want to show you guys in detail about like the watches, the bracelet, and all the new products and stuff, so that you guys can get in-depth detail if you guys are interested in the products and stuff. Let's get started. So what I have over here are some of their new products, and some is the previous collabs of like some watches and bracelet that I still keep around. So yeah, let's start with like the newest product first, that everyone is like probably curious about how it's like and what difference does it have with their previous products. I'll show you guys in detail on how it's different. So yeah. So over here, that's the new product. So you have a box that, you know, Daniel Wellington the brand, and then you slide open, and then you have another box. It's like magic show. And you open it, ta-da, and then you have the item. So this is the classic bracelet in rose gold, small size as well. So close up you can see like the watches in rose gold color is really pretty. I very much prefer it compared to silver personally. So yeah, it's really different from the previous design on the arm. The previous two are known as the classic cuff, and the current one now is the classic bracelet. They have their own charm and differences that looks really great. So yeah. Gotten a watch of my choice. It comes in another Daniel Wellington box and another box. Open it up. I'll show you guys in detail. Yeah. So it's this red color Daniel Wellington watch known. So this is the Daniel Wellington Classic Black Rosaline in 36mm. It's really pretty in that color, and I get it in rose gold, and the background is black color, so that the color really pops, and I really like rose gold color. So it basically looks like this. I haven't tear off the protection cover yet, so that explains the bubble. And it comes in different holes, so even if you have small wrists like me, it can really fit you. That's the part that I really like. And yeah, it comes with this owner's guide, watch menu. The watch itself, I also gotten a watch band, which is the like watch band that can switch out different design for the watch. So the watch is detachable. Oh my god. Detachable, so you can switch out the watch band for different outfit, different occasion and stuff like that. You can get it at a pretty affordable price. So mine will be this. I purposely choose a color that's really different from the Rosaline color, so that I can switch it out whenever I want, and it's just so comfortable, and I just find it like super fun to do that for different outfit, different occasion, and just yeah. With me here is a classic bay water. So I will show you guys in detail on how it's like, and yeah. I have the classic bay water watch with me right now, and this is in rose gold as well, and the inner corner is actually white color. So yep, I really love this as well. The color is really like stunning, I feel. A simple owner's guidebook for the watch menu and stuff. When you place the Rosaline and base water side by side, you can really see the difference, and it just looks super classic and really cute. Yeah, this is my first time doing unboxing, so I might look very lost. I know I'm very lost. I look lost. Everywhere is a mess right now. So yeah, thank you guys for bearing it to the very end. Really grateful. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.